Hi guys, what's up? This is Raidu. Once again I come back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get iPhone X button on your Android mobile. So without being too said anything, let's get started. So guys, to get iPhone X button on your Android mobile, so you need to download an application in Play Store called Xbar Free. So this app has a 4.5 rating and 10,000 downloads in Google Play Store. So after installing app in your Android mobile, so open it and here enable this option here. Now you can see button in the bottom side of the screen in mobile. And next in actions we have 5 different actions like swipe up action, swipe left action, swipe right action, action on click, action on double click. So in these 5 actions we can able to use only 3 actions in this app: swipe up, swipe left and swipe right. And remaining 2 of these 5 actions it will only works on the Pro APK of X home bar. So now select an action for swipe up and swipe left, and finally select an action for swipe right. And next scroll down and here you can select the button shadow and button width, button length and button margin. So and next we have some of the settings in this app like vibration strength and hide in the full screen and behind the keyboard. So guys, finally now you can operate your X home bar on your Android mobile. So guys, if you like this video, if you guys know what to do, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you have any comments on this video, put a comment on the comment section. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.